South America is a continent bursting with unique wildlife, and many of its species are found nowhere else on Earth. Endemic species, those restricted to a specific region, thrive here due to the continent's isolated ecosystems, from the Andes to the Amazon to the Galapagos Islands. This list highlights 10 of the most fascinating endemic species in South America, each with its own story of survival, adaptation, and ecological importance. The first standout is the Andean Condor, the largest flying bird in the world by wingspan. Found along the Andes Mountains and the adjacent Pacific coasts, this bird is a symbol of power in Andean mythology. Its massive wings, stretching over 10 feet, allow it to soar effortlessly across high-altitude skies. The condor plays a crucial role as a scavenger, cleaning up carrion and preventing the spread of disease. Despite its ecological value, habitat loss and poisoning have threatened its population, pushing conservation efforts to the forefront in several South American countries. The second species is the Amazon River dolphin, or boto. Unlike its ocean-dwelling relatives, the boto has adapted to freshwater life in the winding tributaries of the Amazon and Orinoco basins. Its flexible neck and long snout make it well-suited for navigating flooded forests and hunting elusive prey. Its pinkish hue, a product of capillary concentration and scar tissue from aggressive play, sets it apart from any other dolphin species. Local legends cast the boto as a shapeshifter who walks on land at night, adding cultural mystique to its biological uniqueness. Next is the spectacled bear, the only bear species native to South America. It roams the cloud forests of the Andes from Venezuela to Bolivia. Named for the distinctive markings around its eyes, this mostly solitary animal spends much of its time in trees, where it builds platforms to rest and eat. As an omnivore with a diet heavy in fruit, it plays a vital role in seed dispersal. The bear's shrinking habitat, due to deforestation and agriculture, puts its future at risk, though conservation efforts are growing in scope and urgency. The fourth entry is the golden poison dart frog, native to Colombia's Pacific coast. Just 2 inches long, this frog carries enough toxin to kill several adult humans. Its bright yellow skin is a warning signal to predators. Don't even think about it. Indigenous people have long used its venom to tip their blow darts for hunting. In captivity, the frog loses its toxicity, revealing that its deadly nature is tied to its wild diet. Despite its potency, the golden poison dart frog is under threat due to illegal pet trade and habitat destruction. The fifth species is the giant otter, found in the Amazon and Pantanal regions. Up to 6 feet in length, it's the largest otter in the world. These animals are highly social, living in family groups with complex vocalizations and coordinated hunting tactics. They're apex predators in their ecosystem, feeding on fish, crustaceans, and sometimes even small caimans. Human encroachment, gold mining, and pollution have decimated their numbers, but they remain a powerful symbol of South America's river systems. Moving on, the sixth species is the Galapagos marine iguana. Found only on the Galapagos Islands, it's the only lizard in the world that has adapted to a marine lifestyle. These iguanas forage underwater for algae, and their flattened tails help them swim efficiently. Over time, natural selection has equipped them to handle salt ingestion by expelling it through special nasal glands. Their behavior, biology, and evolutionary history fascinated Charles Darwin and continue to intrigue scientists today. But invasive species and climate change threaten their delicate habitat. Next is the maned wolf, often called a fox on stilts due to its long legs and reddish coat. Found in the grasslands of Brazil, Paraguay, and Bolivia, it's not actually a wolf or a fox, but a unique canid species. Its height helps it see over tall grasses, while its diet, heavy in fruit like the lobera, supports both its survival and the ecosystems where it lives. Shy and solitary, the maned wolf has become increasingly rare due to roadkill, habitat loss, and disease from domestic dogs. The eighth species is the Darwin's Rhea, a large, flightless bird found in the Patagonian steppe. Smaller than its cousin, the greater Rhea, it still reaches over 3 feet tall. Its feathers provide insulation against the region's cold winds, while its strong legs make it an agile runner. Males incubate eggs and raise chicks, often caring for broods from multiple females. While not as threatened as some others on this list, hunting and habitat fragmentation are ongoing concerns for this emblematic bird. Ninth on the list is the jaguar, South America's apex predator. Though it ranges from Mexico to northern Argentina, the densest populations are found in the Amazon. Jaguars are powerful and elusive, capable of taking down caimans and even climbing trees with heavy prey. Their signature killing method, biting directly through the skull, is unique among big cats. Revered in indigenous cultures and feared by settlers, the jaguar has become a symbol of the wild itself. Deforestation and illegal hunting continue to push it towards isolated patches of suitable habitat. Rounding out the list is the mountain tapir, the smallest and most endangered of all tapir species. Found in the cloud forests of Colombia, Ecuador and northern Peru, it plays a critical role in seed dispersal and maintaining plant diversity. Its dense, woolly coat protects it from the cold and rain of the high altitudes. Despite its ecological importance, the mountain tapir is under severe threat from poaching and encroaching agriculture. Conservation programs aim to protect remaining populations, but time is running out. Each of these 10 species offers a glimpse into South America's ecological richness and fragility. From mountaintops to river basins, they've evolved to fit specific niches in one of the most biodiverse regions on Earth. Protecting them isn't just about saving animals, it's about preserving entire ecosystems and the human cultures that depend on them.